Hello!
Hi, welcome to our coffee shop.
Thank you. Is it okay if I order here?
Yes, of course. What would you like to have?
I want a cup of coffee.
What kind of coffee?
What do you recommend?
Our latte is very popular.
Okay, I'll take a latte.
What size?
Small, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Would you like sugar?
Yes.
Any milk options?
Regular milk is fine.
Great. Would you like anything to eat?
Yes. Do you have cake?
Yes, we have chocolate cake. We also have cheesecake.
The chocolate cake sounds good. Can I see it?
Sure, here it is.
Wow, it looks delicious. I'll take one slice.
Perfect. Anything else for you?
No, that's all for now.
Would you like it to go?
No, I'll eat here.
Okay. Your total is $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'll bring your order to your table.
Great, thank you. Can I sit anywhere?
Yes, anywhere is fine.
I'll sit by the window.
Good choice.
It's very bright here. I like this spot.
Here is your latte.
Thank you very much.
Careful, it's hot.
Okay, thanks.
And here is your cake.
It looks amazing.
Enjoy your food.
Thank you. Can I have a fork?
Yes, here you go.
Great, thanks. The latte tastes good. It's very smooth. The cake is really soft. I love chocolate cake. This one is perfect.
I'm happy you like it.
Do many people order this?
Yes, it's one of our best sellers.
I can see why. Do you bake it here?
Yes, every morning.
That's awesome. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, we do. The password is on the wall.
Oh yes, I see it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is the shop always busy?
Usually in the mornings.
Today seems quiet.
Yes, it's a slow day.
That's nice. I like quiet places.
Same here.
Do you work here every day?
Not every day, just 5 days a week.
That's good. Do you enjoy working here?
Yes, I like meeting new people.
That's nice. The music here is relaxing.
Thank you. We try to keep it calm.
Is the shop open at night?
Yes, until 10 p.m.
Good to know. Do you serve tea too?
Yes, we have black tea.
Great. Maybe next time I'll try tea.
Sure.
Is the latte art always different?
Yes, we do different designs.
That's cool. Today's design is very cute.
Thank you.
Who makes the latte art?
Our barista, Anna.
She's really good.
Yes, she is.
Can I get some water?
Yes, I'll bring it.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Thanks again. Do you have loyalty cards?
Yes, would you like one?
Sure, why not?
After 10 coffees, one is free.
That's great. I'll visit again soon.
We'd be happy to see you again.
The service is really good here.
Thank you so much.
Can I get the bill?
You already paid at the counter.
Oh right, I forgot.
No worries.
Everything was great.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Have a good day.
You too.
The weather outside looks nice.
Yes, it's sunny today.
Perfect for a walk.
Enjoy your walk.
I will. Do you open early tomorrow?
Yes, at 7 a.m.
Good, maybe I'll come again.
We'll be here.
Thanks for everything.
You're welcome.
Have a nice evening.
You too.
See you soon.
See you.